Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run ads on Facebook. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with Facebook advertising. So, let's dive in. To run Facebook ads, we need three things. First, a Facebook ID, which almost everyone has, the same ID you are using. Second, you need to create a Facebook page. And third, Facebook Ads Manager. We will cover all three of these steps one by one. Now let's start creating a Facebook page. Go to your Facebook ID. On the left side, you will see the Pages option. Click on it. You will see an interface like this. If you already have pages, they will be shown here. We need to create a new one. Click on Create New Page on the left side. You will see an interface like this. On the left side, you will need to enter the name of your page. Use the name you want for your page, ideally the name of your business or brand. Now you need to select the category for your business or brand. In the bio section, write a brief description about your business. Click on Create a Page button. Congratulations! Your Facebook page has been successfully created. Now, we need to complete the remaining settings and provide all the details about your business on the page. This includes adding information such as your website, business phone number, email address, location address, and postal code, among other details. Click on Next, and then add a profile photo and cover photo for your page. You can also connect your WhatsApp business account. Invite your friends to like the page, and the page settings are almost done. Now, this is the homepage of your Facebook page. Now let's start creating an Ads Manager. Go to the homepage of your Facebook ID. Click on Ads Manager and get started. Select your business industry. You can also create a Facebook page from here while creating an Ads Manager account. However, I recommend that you create a Facebook page beforehand. Below, you will see the option, Already have a business page. Click on that. Alright, I'll also guide you through creating a Facebook page from here. Enter a page name, choose a category, and upload a profile picture. And then click on the Create a Page button. You can easily connect your Facebook page to Instagram, but for now, I'll skip that step. You will need a payment method for advertising, and then add a payment method. You can select either a debit or credit card. Enter your card details and save the card. Now, you have two options in front of you. First, online sales, and second, raising awareness of your brand. I'm selecting online sales and clicking on Next. Select Manual Setup and click on Create Campaign. You will now see the main dashboard for Facebook ads. Here, you will create your new campaign. First, we set the campaign name, which you can choose according to your preference. If your campaign falls into any of these four categories, credit, employment, housing, or social issues, etc., you will need to select the appropriate category. But since we are creating a campaign for sales, we don't need to select any of these categories. Now you need to select the objective of your campaign. You have 6 types of objectives in front of you. 1. Brand awareness. If you want to increase awareness of your brand or reach more people, select this option. 2. Traffic. If you want to drive traffic to your website or store, select this option. 3. Engagement. If you want to gain engagement on any of your posts or products, select this option. 4. Lead generation. If you want to collect data from your target audience, such as email addresses or WhatsApp numbers, select this option. It allows you to create a form that users can fill out. 5. App promotion. If you want to promote your app and increase installs, select this option. Sales. For now, we will select sales since we are running ads to sell our product. Here, we can also select our catalog. Since we are starting at a basic level, we won't change any options and keep them as they are. Now let's click Next. Now, let's create an ad set. Enter the name. Select the conversion location where you want to drive sales. You can choose where you want to drive conversions for your audience. You can lead them to your website, your application, or messaging apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger. Additionally, you can also set up direct calls. It's based on your preferences and requirements. If you want to convert your audience on Instagram and WhatsApp as well, you can connect them here. Set the budget for the ad set. How much budget do you want to allocate daily? And schedule the start and end dates. Facebook has a great feature where you can increase your budget at specific times when your audience is most active. Start by choosing your audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, location, interests, and behaviors. Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to refine your audience. You can target multiple countries, cities, and specific areas within cities. You can choose a specific age group for your target audience based on the relevance to your product or business. You can select multiple languages to target a diverse audience. The most important part of running a campaign on Facebook is defining your audience and objectives. You can easily create a custom audience group. You can select the age range of the audience you want to target, from a minimum age to a maximum age. You can also select the gender of the audience you want to target. Now, let's talk about detailed targeting options to reach your ideal audience. Start by defining demographics such as age, gender, education level, job title, relationship status, and more. This helps you narrow down your audience based on specific characteristics. Next, consider targeting based on interests and hobbies. Facebook allows you to target users interested in topics related to your product or service. For example, if you're promoting a fitness app, you can target people interested in fitness, health, or specific sports. I'm creating ads for a clothing brand, so I select clothing. You can further refine your targeting within the clothing category by specifying whether you're targeting men's or women's clothing. This way, your ads will be shown to a more relevant audience who are already interested in what you offer. As you target a more specific audience, the reach of your ad may decrease, but the likelihood of reaching users interested in your product or brand increases. This can significantly improve your chances of conversion and sales. You can also target users based on their behaviors, such as purchase behavior, device usage, travel patterns, and more. This helps you reach people who are more likely to engage with your ads based on their past behaviors. Now, select your ad placements. You can choose where you want your ads to appear, such as Facebook Newsfeed, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. In the ad set creation process, you'll come across the Placements section. Here, you have two options: automatic placements and manual placements. For now, we'll select Automatic Placement and click on Next. Once you've selected your placements, it's time to create your ad. Let's move on to adding media and text. First, create your ad sales name. If you are working in collaboration with a brand or through paid sponsorship, you can turn on this option. And you can tag that brand's Facebook page or Instagram account. Once you've chosen your ad format, it's time to add your media and text. Upload your images or videos and craft compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should include a headline, primary text, and a call to action button. Click on Add Media. Select the media and text for your ad. You can also customize your ad media and text for each placement. Here, you can upload media from your computer. Click on Next. Now, you will see a preview of your ad, showing how it will appear in Reels, search media, and apps. You can check if your image is displaying correctly in all formats. You can adjust, crop, and resize your image to fit each format properly. After making the adjustments, click Done. Now, we need to enter the primary text here. Provide complete information about your brand and products, including any offers. Write a detailed primary text that clearly describes what you're advertising. You'll notice that whatever I'm typing in the primary text is displayed on the right side of the ad preview. You can see how your ad will appear on Instagram, Reels, and Facebook. Write a description for your ad. Here, you can select a call to action button that prompts the user to perform an action, such as send message, shop now, order now, sign up, contact us, subscribe, or apply now, among others. You can provide a headline along with the call to action button, where you can include an attractive text or offer, such as 50% off. You can provide anything related to your ad that grabs the user's attention and encourages them to take action. After this, you'll see a message template. This is a preview of a message. As soon as someone messages you, they will receive this reply automatically. Once you've defined your detailed targeting options, review your ad to ensure everything looks good. Double-check all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, ad creative, and schedule. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on the Publish button to submit your ad for review. Facebook will review your ad to ensure it complies with their advertising policies. Congratulations! You've successfully created and launched your Facebook ad. But our journey doesn't end here. Remember to monitor the performance of your ad and make necessary optimizations to improve results. That's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.